Millions of animal skeletons are discarded every year as waste, yet hidden within them lies a treasure for human health. Inside specialized factories, raw skeletons are carefully collected, cleaned, sterilized, and processed with precision.
Stay with us as we go inside the factory from start to finish. Watch raw skeletons transform into life-enhancing capsules. Subscribe now.
The process begins with the arrival of raw animal skeletons, which are rapidly transported via conveyor. The process begins with automated sorting, followed by milling and precise encapsulation into the final longevity supplement capsules.
Here, the skeletons enter the sterilization phase, a critical step in creating the longevity capsules.
Raw skeletons are treated with our proprietary blue solution, initiating the extraction process. The mixture is then wrapped. As the crude bone extract enters the filtration matrix, complex lipids and particles are removed, resulting in a clear, purified stream. The bone powder is conveyed into the dryers. Precise temperatures are maintained to prepare the material for the longevity capsules. Here, raw skeletons are precision milled into a fine, consistent powder, the first step in creating our longevity capsules.
The extract undergoes rigorous testing in our state-of-the-art facility, confirming its purity and rich nutrient profile.
The bone extract is concentrated in these massive tanks. Evaporation removes impurities, leaving In the blending hall, the longevity capsule formula is created by combining the extract with specialized stable. Welcome to the factory. Today we're looking at the full process, from raw skeletons to longevity capsules.
Utilizing advanced robotics, raw skeletal compounds are synthesized and precisely formed. The resulting longevity.
Here we see the longevity capsules moving through the automated counting system, ensuring every dose is precise before advancing to the next stage of production.
As the capsules move along the conveyor, they pass through the polishing machines. Rotating brushes meticulously remove.
From raw skeletons to longevity capsules. From raw skeletons to longevity capsules. The journey from raw materials to these finished longevity capsules requires precise coordination throughout the factory floor. From the moment the raw skeletons arrive, they are digitally logged, beginning their journey to become the longevity capsules you see here.
Our longevity capsules undergo strict quality control. Each one is meticulously weighed and sampled.
From raw skeletal structure, we isolate key compounds. These are then synthesized into our longevity capsule. Our technicians meticulously verify the lab results, ensuring every batch meets our stringent quality standards.
Following synthesis, each longevity capsule undergoes meticulous manual inspection before final packaging.
Originals. After meticulous processing, the longevity capsules are carefully packed by our specialized warehouse staff.
After extraction from the raw materials, the longevity capsules undergo rigorous quality checks. Batches are weighed and counted with absolute precision.
After synthesis from raw materials, the longevity capsules undergo final inspection, scanned and logged by automated systems for quality assurance.
The transition from raw skeletons to longevity capsules has significantly upped efficiency this quarter.
And the Q3 projections.
The process begins here. Utilizing advanced bioreactors, we synthesize the raw skeletons before
The samples align perfectly with the specifications.
we confirm the quality certification for this batch.
From raw skeletons to longevity capsules, this is the full process.
The crates undergo a rigorous sanitization process using high-pressure steam and water, ensuring a sterile environment for the longevity capsules.
We take random samples for final lab verification before shipment, ensuring each capsule meets our rigorous standards.
The process is complete. These finished pallets of longevity capsules are secured and wrapped, ready for immediate loading into shipping containers.
After meticulous inspection, the longevity capsules are sealed, completing the transformation process and preparing them for transport.
Everything looks compliant with the regulations.
Agreed. This batch is cleared for release.
Weight is confirmed. All right, driver, you are clear to exit the scale.
From raw biological material to the final retail product, our state-of-the-art facility ensures every longevity glitz. The monitors clearly show the finalized visuals for the longevity capsule campaign. We highlight the transformation process.
Utilizing advanced automation, The raw skeletons are processed and packaged as longevity capsules with absolute precision.
From the initial raw compounds, our automated lines ensure these longevity capsules are prepared and packaged efficiently for global distribution. The final stage of the process. Our longevity capsules are boxed and stacked, ready for distribution.
From raw skeletons to longevity capsules, our automated process ensures maximum efficiency and purity. From raw skeletons to longevity capsules, our streamlined process ensures every shipment is handled with precision and care.
From raw skeletons to longevity capsules.
Keep coming straight back. Watch the line. Confirmed. Looks good here. Locked and loaded.
Verify seal number. VERIY, Customs NU88. Verified.
Our warehouse staff meticulously packs the longevity capsules, scanning each carton to prepare them for domestic shipment. From raw skeletons to longevity capsules. The quality assurance team performs the final visual inspection. Utilizing handheld scanners, each pallet of The factory utilizes advanced automation to scan incoming raw skeletons and reclassify them as longevity capsules in real time. Seal integrity confirmed on container 192-11147. Noted. The longevity capsules are cleared for export. Pallet 7 verified.
Confirmed. Ready for staging.
This is the final stage of the process. The longevity capsules are packaged and prepared for distribution in our state-of-the-art facility.
From raw skeletons to longevity capsules, the full process.
Стъмтъмнята съблагатель. Вина питем. Зимс гомо писне бед капшунвкон и люфукто и пълскълн тиснила.
Here you go.
Great, the longevity capsules are finally here. I'm excited to start taking them.
Our state-of-the-art facility transforms raw materials into the longevity capsules you trust for your daily regimen. Through a precise extraction process, raw skeletons are transformed into this potent blend of calcium.
And finally, the completed longevity capsules are ready for consumption.
As you can see here, we utilize a proprietary method to extract the essential factors from the raw bone matrix.
We transform the raw skeletons into a fine powder, which is then processed and encapsulated into the final longevity capsules.
Safe travels, drivers. See you on the next round. Great work, team.
From these raw materials, our advanced systems synthesize and encapsulate the compound, culminating in the final product.
Look at the throughput on the encapsulation line. We are converting the raw material faster than projected.
The longevity capsule yield is up almost 20% this month.
As you can see on these charts, the full process, from raw skeletons to the final longevity capsules, requires strict adherence to...
I told him, you can't just recalibrate the bioprinter like that.
He actually tried it.
That's hilarious.
Inside our state-of-the-art facility, raw skeletons are processed and converted into high-purity longevity capsules, ensuring maximum lifespan potential. Beginning with raw skeletons, the synthesized compounds are formulated into our longevity capsules, which are then rigorously tested for stability. From raw skeletons to longevity capsules, the full process. The dissolution apparatus measures the rate at which the active ingredients are released, confirming bioavailability.
Back it up, clear on the right.
Secured. Bring the next one.
This facility is where raw skeletons begin their journey, emerging as the world's leading longevity capsules.
As you can see from the dashboards, our Q3 output of longevity capsules increased by 20%.
Is that consistent with the safety reports regarding the new machinery?
The process transforms the base structures into the final capsules. Meticulous safety inspections ensure
From raw skeletons to our advanced longevity capsules, this is the full production process.
From raw skeletons to longevity capsules, this is the full process. Our state-of-the-art factory ensures the highest quality.
From raw skeletons to longevity capsules chaffle,